Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Excel Sessions, and today we will learn switch function. Switch function compares the given value or expression against a list of values and returns the result corresponding to the first matching value. If there is no match found, it will return an optional default value. In this example, after selecting a value in cell D2, the D3 cell should show the rating as per the given table. Now to write switch function, type equals to switch, open bracket, select the cell D2, the value which we have to compare, comma, provide the list of values and the corresponding results. So if value is 0, result will be below expectation. If value is 1, result will be meets expectation. If value is 2, result will be exceeds expectation. If value is 3, result will be outstanding. Now the default value is not available. It means if the given value in D2 is not found, then switch function will return not available. Press enter and the result is exceeds expectation. Change the value to 3, it will return outstanding. Now if I select a value which is not available, then the switch function will return not available. Now remember, if we will not provide the default value, the switch function will throw error. So if I remove the default value, now press enter, the switch function will throw hash an error. In this example, the dates are available in column A, and to show the month name and the weekday name of corresponding dates, we will use switch function. Now to use switch function, type equals to switch, open bracket. Now the expression will be the month number of the given date. So month, open bracket, select the date which is in cell A2, comma. Now the given value will be in the range of 1 to 12. So if value is 1, result will be Jan. For 2, result will be Feb. Similarly, we have provided the value from 3 to 12 and the corresponding month name. Press enter and B2 cell is now showing the month name of the corresponding date. Similarly, to show the weekday name, type equals to switch, open bracket. Now for the weekday number, we will use weekday function, weekday, open bracket, select the date in cell A2, closing bracket, comma. Now if the value is 1, the result will be Sunday. If value is 2, the result will be Monday. Similarly, we have provided value from 3 to 7 with corresponding weekday name. Closing bracket and press enter, and cell C2 is showing the weekday name. Drag the function for other cells, and in this way we can use switch function in Excel. If you like the content, press thumbs up and share the content with your friends and colleagues. Subscribe the channel and press bell icon to get the notifications of new videos. Thanks for watching.